Hello and welcome everyone, I'm Nathan.
And I'm Garber.
And this is Coffee Talk. You sound so depressed. More depressed than usual. Now, obviously on this show, we don't ever have ideas what it is we talk about or do. So we're going to bring back another DIY session where we pretty much just put together my new PC.
It'll be a good time.
It's going to be very interesting.
Good learning experience for all you children out there.
Now, I've only built one PC before. You built yours?
Built like 3.
He's built 3? Okay, so he's going to be the expert in all of this. This obviously isn't a tutorial. Even though the segment is called DIY, it's just kind of become a watch us do it and then try to follow what we do without hurting yourself.
Yeah, this isn't really step by step.
We're not going to sit here and we're not going to lecture you because there's probably 30 other YouTubers that have already done it. We're just going to go through the process and you guys get to watch this beautiful thing to come to life. We're not going to list off all the product names and whatnot.
That would be the whole video.
Yeah, pretty much all we do is we make things and we just crack jokes, and it's pretty much what the segment has become. The first one where we made the Halloween decorations, that was kind of like a try to do a step-by-step sort of a thing. But that didn't really work out, did it?
Not really. Kind of ended up just looking like shit.
So if you want advice on how to make your stuff look like total trash, come to us. But if you want your stuff to look good, you might want to go to someone else. Now, what do you normally start with?
I have to start with the motherboard.
For this one.
That's what you start with in general, because everything fucking plugs into that. Or the power supply.
You know what this feels like? This feels like when you take like an 86 Honda Civic and you put like brand new rims and a body kit on it. That's exactly what we're doing here. The motherboard, 2008 model. CPU, 2008 model. This case, 2016 model. We've just started, we're already having issues. God damn. Why am I
Let me get a nice angle of this.
Oh, there we go. I got it.
Because it's quality angle. You snapping on some metal.
That's what we do, dude. Snap metal every day. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna use the black ones.
Because they're big and meaty.
Well, black.
Black and nasty.
Just like I like my baby.
After we get it built, we gotta do like some cinematic shoots. Like some dope ass music behind it. Just some screen pumps.
Some Tupac in the background.
Zoom in on that. Not a sponsor.
Nothing's a sponsor, unfortunately. Also, that black and red. Dude, that color scheme is really flying.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You're so stupid.
I couldn't get an angle of your face that I could see unless I sat down. Because the lighting's all fucked up.
Dude, you gotta go for that crouch cam. You're so stupid. Sweat's just beating down my face.
There's like some dope ass lens flare coming through that fucking vent right there.
Really?
It looks fucking sick.
Go, shorty. It's your birthday.
That's the commentary, everybody. Dude, that dope ass
lens flare. Look at the pool. Looks all tropical and shit because there's like a bush in front of the window.
You don't know, it might be the ocean.
There's a tarp over it, but through the camera it actually looks like just a fucking pool with like a fucking palm tree.
Hey man, I live in Cali. That's a known fact.
Oh yeah, let's get some panning shots.
You gotta find You gotta find some actual music like that. Just to put
Got those screen pumps.
Yeah. Oh my fucking god, you're so dumb. We're obviously not going for any sort of color scheme here because the power supply...
It's fucking green.
Oh shit. Alright. And it comes with black screws already.
I'll just fold over the address part and then I'll show them a list of shit. We'll just send them fucking jumbo pizzas from Domino's.
Hey, I wouldn't be mad if you want to send me a Domino's pizza, dude.
Yeah, I doubt they're gonna pay for it. It's a list of all the things that are
Is
in
my credit
here.
card on there?
Probably not. Why the fuck would they put your credit card information on a fucking receipt?
I can just feel all of the people cringing right now that we don't have like any like static protection.
You just need to be wearing fucking tinfoil suits right now.
We gotta give this thing a name.
Bertha.
Bertha? Because it's ugly? Is that why?
No, because it's fucking huge. Bertha's like a fucking ripped Russian lady name.
Fair
Or like
enough.
fucking Helga.
Helga.
Good old Helga.
You heard it here first, folks. Here's the original heatsink that normally comes with the processor, and here's the one that I bought. As you can see, this one is, I don't know, I would say like 3 times bigger. I don't know what the fuck Intel was thinking about this.
They weren't. They were thinking, hey, let's cause problems, so they have to buy more shit.
One thing I've heard about people doing...
It says remove before installation.
Look, fuck off.
You're installing it and you didn't remove it.
Okay, I haven't installed it yet, okay?
You're gonna break it. Will it focus on that?
Alright, gonna put just a...
There you go.
Just a tiny dab.
Did someone say dab?
I think it's a little bit more. Although I'm not an expert.
Get that cinematic view.
Alright, here we go. Taking this off. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Look how clean that looks. Ooh.
What the fuck? It's picking up a face, like, right here. The camera's, like, registering that there's a face.
Waiting for. You're so gay. God damn it. Now you have to unbox the box first of all, okay? Now no one cares about that piece, alright?
It sounded like there was something in there, and it sounded pretty heavy when it hit the ground, bud.
It's just a heavy box. Fucking Halo music. There it is. Look at that.
We're gonna get copyrighted for my cover of the Halo loading screen music.
Now, if I can't play CSGO on that thing, I don't know what I will do. Oh shit, I don't know if I have another one of those. I do.
Get some great fucking cinematics in here.
Fuck, what else do we need? Fans! The things that we don't actually have on YouTube! Shit.
Work, 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 work. You see me happy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work.
Fucking hand ruined my cinematic. Gotta start over.
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to the lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets.
Gotta get that interior shot.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that montage of epic computer building, computer building cinematics. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like, comment, subscribe. We will see you next episode? Maybe.
Peace.
Out, homie.
Work, 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 work.
Peace out. Hi, how you doing?
Okay.
The amount of time it took you to go to lunch and come back, it took us to build this whole entire thing.
Well, we're faster, you're slow, aren't we too?
We're slow.
Fans not running?
Yeah.
Oh, another cooling problem.
Oh, no, that's fine. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that are working.
Take a couple,
Eight.
put in your car.
It's your boy. It's your boy, Blake Vapes. What's going on, my homies? You just now realized.
Power supply fucking looks so stupid. It's just fucking green splatter.